Hello students, this is today we will do grammar and we will start adjectives. Okay, this is the third lesson of grammar. I think you know what is adjective. What is adjective? An adjective tells us more about a noun or a pronoun. So basically adjective is a describing word. It adds something to a noun or pronoun. And as it is written in the definition, you can see an adjective tells us more about a noun or a pronoun. So adjective is a describing word. For example, if I say Sita is a clever girl. So Sita is a clever girl. Girl of what kind? Clever. What is the adjective? Clever. Next example, see this. I bought some decorations. Some. So some is adjective. A bouquet of 5 red roses. Roses is noun and you can see 5 red. So 5 is adjective of number, red is adjective of quality. Again 5 and red are adjective. And that pen at the market of my birthday. Okay? And that pen at the market for my birthday. So pen, which pen? That pen. That is again adjective. At the market for my birthday. My is again adjective. What item did you like best? What? What is adjective? So the describing words, adjective is actually a describing word and adjective describes a noun or pronoun. Now we will move to kinds of adjectives. Okay? Kinds of adjective. Let us see what are kinds of adjective. Types of adjective. Adjectives of quality. First one is adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality describe the qualities of a noun. They answer the question of what kind. So as it is clear from name only, adjective of quality, it will describe the qualities. For example, the first example which I have given, Sita is a clever girl. So clever is an adjective and clever is which type of adjective? Clever is adjective of quality. See this example. The green tiffin box is mine. Green. This is again adjective of quality. Green is an adjective and green is adjective of quality. Next one. Adjective of quantity give us an idea about the quantity of a noun. So adjective of quantity will tell you how much. Adjective of quantity give us an idea about the quantity of a noun. And so adjective of quantity will tell you how much. Example. I ate some rice. So what will be adjective of quantity? Some rice. Some will be adjective. See the example which is given here. I drank all the milk. So all is adjective of quantity. Next one. Demonstrative adjective. Points to a particular noun. So demonstrative adjective will point out. They include this, that, these, those. The plural of this is these, the plural of that is those. So they include this, that, these, those. This, that, these, those are known as demonstrative adjective because it points out. Okay. Now let us see an example for demonstrative adjective. If I say these mangoes are sour. These mangoes are sour. Tell me what will be the demonstrative adjective? these. These is demonstrative adjective. And if I tell you what is SAR, you will tell that it is adjective of quality. See this example. I created that app myself. So that is demonstrative adjective. Possessive adjective. What is possessive adjective? Possessive adjectives are used to indicate who or what owns something. They include my, your, his, her, our, their, and its. So possessive adjective, what it will do? It will indicate who or what owns something. Example, if I tell example of possessive adjective, the example is, our cousin will visit us next week. Whose cousin? Our cousin. So our is possessive adjective. If I say this is my pen, what will be the possessive adjective? My. Interrogative adjective, very clear. Interrogative adjective, obviously it will ask a question, and it will ask a question related to a noun. Example, what is your name? So what will be interrogative adjective? And see, whose pencil box is this? Whose. Whose is interrogative adjective. If I ask, which way shall we go? Which way shall we go? So what will be interrogative adjective? Which. Which will be interrogative adjective. Now adjective of number. Adjective of number tells us about the number of a noun. Adjective of number will tell you how many persons or things are there. Okay, so it will tell you how many. Example, Subra participated in 4 racing events this year. So what is the number? 4. Subra participated in 4 racing events this year, and 4 is adjective of number. So today what we have done? We have done adjectives, definition of adjective, examples, and then we have done types of adjectives. What you have to do, see what you will do. First you will give the heading in your copy. That is the title of the lesson, adjectives. Then what you will do? You will write the definition. See, this is the definition. An adjective tells us more about a noun or a pronoun. Then you write 2 to 3 examples related to adjective. I gave the example, Sita is a clever girl. Clever will be an adjective. Okay, in the same way you can write other examples also. After writing the definition, what you will do in your copy? You will move to this table, types of adjective. You will move to this table, types of adjective. I want everyone to draw this table in your copy. Types of adjective. Draw this table in your copy after writing the definition of adjective and giving the examples of adjective. After this, you will draw this table in your copy. Okay. Next we will do more about adjective of number. You have learned, I taught you adjectives of number. Now we will do adjective of number in detail. Let's see. There are 4 kinds of adjectives of number. Okay, there are 4 kinds of adjectives of number. We are doing adjectives of number in detail. First one, cardinals denote an exact number. For example, there are 50 students in the class. So 50 is the exact number and this is cardinal. She bought only 1 pencil for the art class. 1 is adjective of number, and which type of adjective of number? Cardinal adjective of number. Next, ordinals denote a rank, an order or a position. It will not show you the exact number. It will tell you the rank, it will tell you an order, and it will tell you a position. Example, the last girl in the queue is Deepa. So see, this is not the exact number. It is telling you the order. It is telling you the last girl. So this is an order, position. Harish was the first student. This is rank to complete the exam. So again, this is, you can say, first is rank, order or position. Indefinite adjective, again it will not denote you an exact number. Indefinite adjective do not denote an exact number. For example, there were many dresses at the shop. So many dresses, it is not telling you the exact number. There were many dresses at the shop. This is indefinite. Many is adjective of number, and which type of adjective? Indefinite adjective. I saw some children from my colony at the party. So again see, some is not definite. It is not telling you the exact number. So again some will be indefinite adjective. Now distributive adjective. What is distributive adjective? Distributive adjectives refer to each one of a number. Okay, distributive adjective refers to each one of a number. For example, each child was asked to make a painting. Every person in the room was looking forward to the skit. So distributive adjective, what it will do, refer to each one of a number. And if I give you examples of distributive adjective, it will be each, every, either, neither. Examples of distributive adjective: each, comma, every, either, neither. Okay. Now what we can do, I have done adjectives, we have done types of adjectives, we have done adjective of number in detail. Now what you have to do, see this exercise you will be doing in copy. This one. Exercise A, page number 18. Okay, please don't get confused, because again and again you people keep on asking and confusing yourself and the teachers too. Exercise A, page number 18, 1-8. This we will do in copy. What you have to do in this exercise, underline the adjectives in these sentences and state their types. First you have to underline the adjective and then you have to tell what type of adjective it is. We have done no types of adjective right now, so you will do this in copy. Okay, I am discussing some of the questions. The two white cars parked outside are mine. So what is the adjective? Two is adjective, and see above two I have written only N. I have written the short form, but you don't do in this way. Okay, you don't write short form. Two is adjective of number, and white is also an adjective, and white is adjective of quality. My eldest son is studying to be an architect. So my is again adjective, and which type of adjective? Possessive adjective. Those children saw 3 peacocks on the roof. Those demonstrative adjective, 3 adjective of number. Summer drank some juice and rushed to his school. Some adjective of quantity. Each person should contribute some money to the fund. Each, I told you, each is distributive adjective. Some is also an adjective, and which type of adjective? Adjective of quantity. I have written Q for adjective of quantity and QL for adjective of quality. So please don't get confused, and you don't have to use short form. You have to write a full form only. Okay. The cook bought some apples and made a delicious pie. Some adjective of quantity and delicious adjective of quality. The weary traveler rested under the shady tree in our in our garden. So very, adjective of quality, and shady, adjective of quality. Both are adjective of quality, very and shady. Which student got an A for the presentation on the Panchatantra? See, this which is interrogative adjective. Okay, which is interrogative adjective. So this exercise you will do in copy. So in this video we will do till here only. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.